Hey British Columbia, Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working out of Barnes Wheaton GM, sunny White Rock, 3050 King George Highway. Here with the 2021 Range Rover SVR, 5 liters supercharged V8, 575 horsepower, 516 pounds of torque. Look at the back end on this thing. This is one sexy looking SUV. Can you imagine rolling up to soccer practice in this? Oh my goodness. It's got the red interior, black accents as well. Really laid out nice. It's got the panoramic roof, of course, in the back here before we jump in. It's got your Meridian Sound System, just cranks, tri-climate control. Look at the layout. That's one good looking rig for sure. It's only got just over 15,000 kilometers, 15,188. It's got your surround vision camera, of course, does have navigation, does have your driver safety package on it with collision alert, low speed emergency braking, side blind zone alert, lane assist, everything that you would expect from a vehicle such as this. And it can be yours, British Columbia. We take trades, we have financing. In business to do business, BC. My name's Sheldon, 604-362-2922. Give me a call.